Welcome to Muskox and our live demo day. We appreciate everybody that's tuned in today, whether you're on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, if you're in Maine, Minnesota, North Dakota, or Alaska, welcome to the home of Muskox snowblowers. Today, I'm here to just kind of host the opportunity for you guys to see our machine in action. I'm going to try to do less talking and let the machine do the talking. My name's Adam Bergman. I'm co-founder of Muskox Snowblowers, along with my father, Ron Bergman, who's in the machine operating. I'm going to kind of explain reasons why we did what we did, and Ron's going to get an opportunity to talk about how, and the machine is going to show you how it works. So let's bring in that snowblower and get after it. As you guys can see, the Muskox is on its way down. You'll note we have 2 augers in the machine now. A lot of you guys have seen that. Pay attention to that. You'll get an opportunity. We'll talk about, he's going over a gravel driveway right now. You can see we're not kicking rocks out of the machine. And I'll have a chance to explain why we're able to do that. All right, Ron, I'll have you go ahead and continue to back drag. You guys can see I'm standing here and I'm in front of Peter, our camera guy. You can see our rubber squeegee just did our first and our patented feature, which is back dragging and blowing. Now we're gonna have Ron come in and he's gonna get in front of a garage door so you guys get an opportunity to see what that looks like. Ron, go ahead and blow in front of that garage door and show off one of the features that makes the Muskox really unique. Guys, pay attention. Imagine if you're doing driveways right now, how we're reducing shoveling in front of garage doors. And if you have HOAs, how much quicker you guys can get the job done. All right, I want to welcome everybody real quickly. We started a couple of minutes ago. You guys got a chance to see the opportunity to see the Muskox in action. Throughout this video, my responsibility is to talk about why we did what we did with the Muskox. Ron, our co-founder, my father and partner, who's the engineer on this product, is in the machine right now, and he's going to get a chance to chime in, answer questions that you guys have, and explain how we do what we do. So I welcome you wherever you may be. Please ask questions as we're doing this. We're really setting this up to have an operator running the machine, get a chance to talk to you, the operator, and show the advantages of the Muskox. Today, we're going to cover 5 features throughout the show, and it's going to be about 30 minutes long. I'm going to go ahead and introduce John, who's also going to be on camera with us today. He's going to be the guy that's going to ask me any type of questions that you, the operators, have. John, if you want to introduce yourself and let everybody know the points we'll be covering today.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live stream. My name is John, and I will be running the operation from back here. Today, Adam's going to be talking to you about 5 features of our Muskox snowblowers. First of all, the back drag, which you just saw Ron do in front of the garage door, our patented feature. Secondly, we're going to be going over the side fins. The side fins, which are going to help you operators make sure that you're not having snow spill out of the bucket. You'll see that in just a moment. Then the glide plate, we're going to lift the machine up so you can get a look underneath and see our glide plate. It's going to solve a lot of problems for you. Adam will tell you about that. For our cutting edge, again, the machine will be lifted up. We're going to show you our cutting edge and explain what things you can do with that. And finally, one of my favorite features, our lowered chute. We're going to take you inside the cab and show you that amazing visibility over the Muskox. And I'll be here live. If you have any questions, just drop them in the Facebook chat and I can offer those questions live to Adam as the show goes on. Adam, back to you.
Sounds fantastic. Thanks, John. And just to reiterate, ask us questions, challenge us with questions that you may have. Because again, this video is designed to get you guys an opportunity to be in the cab, see this thing live. That's not lively produced, but just showing how the machine really works live. So the first feature I want to talk about that John highlighted, and you guys saw it in action, and if you watched our videos on YouTube or on Facebook, the first thing that grabs your attention is the opportunity we have with our back drag and blow feature. The reason we did this was because we were tired of shoveling in front of garage doors. I've been a real estate investor for quite a few years, have residential and commercial properties. And one of our biggest expenses with snow removal is the labor cost. So we had an opportunity to really start to reduce those costs by getting closer to garage doors and reducing the amount of shoveling that we do. So I'm explaining why we did it. I think you guys have seen the videos. And now I want to have Ron hop into the cab. You guys saw it from the outside. But now we're going to flip over to the camera and watch Ron go close up to a garage door. And right now we're in front of a brick pillar. You're going to see how the Muskox is different than other machines. When I flip over, Ron, if you want to introduce yourself, maybe kind of talk through what you're paying attention to when you're going up to a garage door to do the best job possible.
Hi, everybody. Yeah, I'll demonstrate to you kind of the operation of the Muskox. It's like any piece of equipment. It takes a little while to get onto it. And I'll explain it as I'm doing the function here. Okay, I'm backing up here. You can see the motion. I don't know if we're looking at me. You probably can't see the motion of the chute. But, okay, just when you're running the snowblower, we have the arm set up. So you lower it down so your arms are in the low position and then rotate till the blower touches the ground. Now you're not going to dig into gravel or grass or something you go across. So now you'll see me start blowing. This would be normal if you're coming up to a garage door, that you'd be blowing snow in a normal position. As I come close to an application or a garage door or whatever, you see I'm rotating the chute back. Now I start lifting the blower up. I can still see the building in front of me rotate until they make contact and start back dragging. You'll notice the blower is still blowing in reverse, not leaving a pile by the doorway, simplifying that. So I'll stop here and Adam can talk a little bit more about our features.
I'm going to hop in with everybody and watch as Ron's setting down that machine. He's tilting it up. Now, this is important to talk about, whether you guys are using inverted blowers or any other type of a snow blower. When you guys back drag off of the hard surface, you're going to pull a little bit of snow with you out to the road. And we are aware that this happens. And it just happens in the process of we have two augers. We're blowing out almost all the snow, but you're going to pull a little bit of snow back with you on the road. So do expect that. And what our operators do is they take one final pass and they go down the road. You guys that run inverted machines have seen this. Pulls a little bit out to the road. So expect that to be the case. Now, as you guys saw, I want to look at this hard surface. As you guys can maybe see, we are on top of stamped concrete right now. And with our machine, when we get into that back drag position, not only did we get close to the garage door, so we'll walk up to that close to see less shoveling, but we are also using a rubber cutting edge. And what's neat about this rubber cutting edge is that while you back drag and blow, we're riding on this rubber edge that's going to prevent your surfaces from getting scratched. A lot of you guys